So, hello guys! Welcome to my game. Welcome to my channel. And today, we're playing with Gavin. Meet Gavin, come over here.
Okay. I'm here.
So, this is Gavin. He's my brother. Okay, guys?
Look at
And
my
also,
garden,
there's
guys.
a random person that has no plants in Grow a Garden.
But still nice.
And this is my garden.
It's so messy.
Look, I have the burning bud.
Hey, Kuya Gab, look at my garden now.
Okay, I'm going to your garden now.
I
Why?
have a lot.
Why do you have the tallest bamboo?
I don't know, you just plant.
Wait, the seeds up.
The seed shop.
Yes. Here are the seeds that are in stock.
Brother, no stock, 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 no stock,
Wala
no
naman.
stock, no stock, no stock, no
Garbage
stock.
lang.
Guys, there no more. No stock. Bro, there no stock.
Yeah, guys.
Bro, someone just... Bro! He's up a egg. Sprinkler too.
Why do you need a sprinkler
I don't
when
know.
when you have no plants? And also you need already a pet.
Hey!
Oh,
Hey!
did you get on board?
Kuya God, let's buy a sprinkler.
Why?
Because it's a faster sprinkler.
But my plants are already grown.
Wait, are there?
Why do I start?
Bro! I'm gonna buy this. Then almost master sprinkler.
Oh, my Triceratops are
Wait,
good.
this is always here.
Welcome to my stand! I keep forgetting he is a girl. Why are you looking at me like that? Show me the gear shop. Where are the gear shop?
Hey guys, buy the sprinkler. In Grow Garden, you're playing Grow Garden. Comment and subscribe. Buy this.
I have enough money.
Guys, I'm gonna give Kuya Gab a pet. A rabbit.
Hey Gavin, do you know I was trying to give you the bug egg?
Oh yeah, I forgot. So,
It's because I have 3 pets now.
3 pets.
And that's the limit.
So,
I don't have Roblox. I don't have Robux.
So, buy the
Buy it!
green. Bro, not everyone say buy it. I just see him in your screen there. Manong. Kano itong rabbit. Bro! Saan ka punta? Dirmoon, Trip, Broom, Skar.
Hey, where is the pet? I don't have any pets. In my inventory, of course, guys. Do you know I have a Triceratops? And also, the oldest here is Rhino. Guys, what is? How many times?
Guys, it's playing from forward.
I am not playing.
Oh,
Joke lang, guys. I am playing nga. Garden teleport. Oh. It's gonna be raw. You You scared me, Daisy.
What you have?
Even though you're a girl. What? Bro.
Wait, guys.
Boy, I
Wake
haven't.
up. Where's the green egg?
The green egg is not ready yet.
Let's see.
Oh my God! I have a watermelon that is rainbow. Right. Oh my God! Okay, guys. Do
Bye.
you know capybara? Capybara.
His name is, for real name, is Cappy.
Yeah, guys. And also, this is Gabin's night lamp, Panda. And this is my night lamp, Cappy. What did you name her?
See? You're a cat.
Please pick a better name. Just like Gerald.
C.
Just like Gerald.
Okay.
Mark. Hamster. Mark. Okay. And this
Mark Carol. What are that in
up. Beep beep. Beep beep beep. Gabin's night lamp is a little bit squishy, but mine's as hard as a rock.
Guys, that's so funny.
Yeah, I know.
Higap ka na ito. Guys, do you know I'm hacking Kuya Gab now?
You know I can hear you.
Kamari hindi mo hear. Never mind that. They're joking. I ready.
Okay, I'm going. Where's my mic?
Now where's my off mic? I don't even have a single mic. Guys, I'm hacking Kuya Gab now. I'm so hacking. But I forgot to
Where's my mic? Yes, get it, guys. I don't have a mic.
Daddy!
Kung hindi pa natin
Welcome to part 2! So, guys, I'm hacking Kuya Gab now. So, let's teleport to mine. Hindi pa daw tayo na-meet. So, I'm a video. Guys, ako si
Hindi
Lip.
na tayo, pero hindi ko
Ako si-
na-meet yun sa yung Roblox.
Ako daw si Flip.
Justin! Ako si Adam kumari.
Okay, ako na lang si Justin.
Ay, ako si... Beep, beep.
Ako si Flip. Woohoo!
Ay, ako si
I'm playing. Oh yeah.
Ako si Gabi, normal player.
Oh yeah, I'm playing. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'm jumping. Wait, are this my garden? Let's see. I have some, that kind of mushroom. Okay.
I'm gonna download CapChat. I'm gonna download... What's that called? CapChat.
Hey guys. You know what? We are gonna quit with Kuya Gab to play what is over it now.
Bro,
Not the same thing. Just what you want forever. Pick it.
Climb a tower.
Oh yeah, guys.
Climb and jump a tower.
Guys, we are gonna play climb the jump tower.
Climb and jump tower. Yes.
Guys, do you know guys, we have part 1, so we're gonna have part 2 in Climb the Tower. So, I have a lot of friends. Oh, yeah.
Forget nothing.
Yeah, totally. How about this? How about this?
I want climb.
Why you always climb?
Oh my god.
Who want to make the jump?
bagong tower?
Who want to play whatever this? I forgot what is this called. The jumping rope. Bumbaya, bumbaya.
Hey!
More. Bumbaya, bumbaya, bumbaya. Ibon, bumbaya.
Guys,
Gumaya,
natatrans pa ako.
Ibon.
Ay, kala ko.
Gumaya, gumaya.
Laro tayo di dress to impress. Guys, ay, kala ko dress to impress. Climbing in jump tower pala eh.
I'm gonna play this with you three. Guys, do you know I
Climb glitch wings.
Hey guys, you want to lipat in my screen? Okay. Hi guys, you are in my screen now. Guys, jump!
Guys, you're still in my screen.
Oh yeah. Iya ka, pero mabalipat ta aking screen.
Ano, parang wala kong screen recorder.
Ipunta ka lang para sa video at ilagay mo yung tablet ko. There you go.
Beep.
Hey guys, mag-face reveal nga si Kuya Gab.
I already space revealed since I started on my channel.
Speaking tree. Hey guys, you want to join?
You are getting tired. Oh! Ako yung mas mabilis kanya. Kawasaki! Wee!
Guys, I fought.
Yeah! Nailed it, guys. Now, let's go to the other tower. I already bought the other tower. So, guys, I'm going to the second tower. Okay? Bro's climbing already.
Gumaya, gumaya, timon, gumaya, 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 timon, gumaya, gumaya, gumaya.
Auto climb.
Maya, sorry, red. Attack.
Dress to breath. Yes.
I have.
So,
you can this. I have.
I don't know why did I rip this apart.
I don't know, same.
So guys, we're at the second tower. So guys,
Attack!
so guys,
Guys, let's go. Oh, I see a blue.
wait. Bombaya, bombaya, hey, bombaya, 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 bombaya. Oh, kill mo, kill.
Yes. Oh, I forgot. Run!
Run! So guys, we're gonna join. Yeah, this one.
Bro, there are a lot.
I died.
Bro, someone is chasing up you.
Bombaya, bombaya, sila bombaya. Sabi, Yaben, papatay ka ba? Ilan ba ikaw papatay?
Yung pag naubos na yung timer. Kung hindi pa namin nahanap yung
Exit.
Bro! You only have time.
Lapit na. Dito nga yung timer eh.
This is Squid Game 2.
Look. Kita mo naman eh.
Brown team red.
Paano pag hindi ka pumunta sa exit in time?
Hindi.
Katulad
Team blue.
ng...
Team blue yun.
Paano pag hindi ka napasok sa exit at wala na yung timer?
Hindi kami hanap yung exit. Naghahanap lang kami yung silver. Yung asan yung players. Para hindi sila escape.
Paano pag na-skip sila?
Escape wala na. Patingin na kami. Babaril na kami.
Oh my God! Team Blue! Team Blue! Blue!
Hi! Ay, yung pala yung classmate ko, habol ko. Ay, joke lang, hindi. Baril! Babaril na.
Paano? Na-win ba kayo?
Oo. Namin kami, pero may isa na patay. Nandiyan na kami. Hey guys! Ikaw sama
Wala ako dyan. Wala ako dyan.
Asan ka?
Dito. Sa lobby. Naalas na kayo?
Naku, bumbaya. Guys, bumbaya kami. Bumbaya. Bumbaya.
Hey, I don't want to be pushed. Ikaw, push.
Gumaya.
Napush ako 2 persons dyan.
Bro, guys! I just died!
Respawn ka din. Ah! Pangit tong.
Ha? Asan si Tong?
To.
Ha?
I-respawn ka ba?
Yung name ba niya Tong?
Dito ako eh.
Name niya Tong?
Ako.
Tong.
Apa. Name na tong. Hindi, tong. Lang. Tara! Dali ano to.
Sama just push. Ikaw yung pagkatapos mo on, Eddie. You know.
Tara. Magpasok ka.
Dito to.
Napasok na ako eh.
Pat.
Pangit. Yaben! Talo! Ano dyan ka? Yaben! Tara, labas muna tayo.
Eh, ba sa Tong?
Yaben, labas muna tayo.
Eh, may natulak akin. Eh, tulak ko siya.
Tulak!
Tulak.
Oh! 3! Natulak ko 3!
Natulak ko matakbo.
Apa? Meron.
Tak. Yan,
Tayo.
team blue ka. At ako team blue.
Tama.
Para patay yun. Hoy, team blue ako. Team blue.
Team Blue? Ay, hindi pa tayo naplabas eh. Player 50 ako.
Player 50 ako. Player 315.
315.
Player...
ka?
At yung katabi ko, player 0. 033.
Welcome to the Squid Game 3.
Sana jumping loop tayo hanggang abot tayo sa jumping loop.
The game is now starting. It's time to play hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
2 teams, blue, red. Blue team must hide, red team must kill. Team blue.
Pick mo team blue.
Team red ako.
Bakit? Ay,
Ikaw.
team blue. Team blue ako. Ikaw.
Team red.
Ano ba tayo tingnan?
Kita. Ready.
Just follow me. Just follow me.
Ay, napapatay.
Not follow me, right? Not follow me.
Oh, napatay na ako. Ang blue. Napatay ko na ba lahat? Hindi naman eh. Sabi mo oh, the team blue is hiding.
Do not kill me, okay?
Okay.
Not kill me. Pag nahanap mo yung aking number, pwede mo mo.
Who's there? Hanap ko lang yung nasa
Guys,
certain
we have to survive.
Oh, si Graham!
Guys, not open the door.
Oh, napatay na siya. Oh, napatay siya sa oh.
Guys. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Run!
Sino ba habol sa'yo?
Ating red. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my
Bahay ka.
god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's still happening! No! No! I'm getting mad.
Iba na lang tayo, pwede ba? Para hindi tayo, ganyan natin. Iba na lang tayo.
I just gonna
Sabay din blue!
Nanonood na lang, tita.
Nanood?
Kumaya. Pwede ako tingnan tatlong blue eh. Ay, din red. Ayaw ko tingnan yung iba yan na batiyakan. Ano ka ba? Hindi ko ito makita. Player 4, 5, 6.
Hindi ako sa player 50.
Hello, player 4, 5, 6.
Guys, wala na ako hanap ng blue o red.
Mapatay na.
Ah!
Bakit?
Tung! Siyo! Oh, chisa! Habol niya lang chisa. Habol ko.